Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong denied his resignation as the country's contact tracing czar was irrevocable. He clarified it was never stated in his resignation letter. The mayor had earlier qualified his resignation as irrevocable, stressing he wants to promote accountability. Magalong resigned after attending the birthday party of celebrity Tim Yap. Photos and videos of the party showed guests not wearing face masks and not practicing social distancing.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.